Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by creating your workspace and getting the app installed. This is practical, not optional. Once you've signed up and verified your email, make a workspace and invite any collaborators so sharing works later. Create your first page right away. Choose a template if you want structure, or pick blank to learn blocks. Name the page, add an icon and cover to recognize it quickly. Make sure sync is enabled so edits save across devices as you proceed. Now you'll assemble content using blocks and databases. This is where Notion's power lives. Add blocks by typing /commands, text, to-do, headings, or embeds, and drag them to structure your page. For structured content, create a database and pick a view, table, board, list, calendar, or gallery, then add properties like date, select, number, or person so items carry metadata. Once done, create views with filters and sorts, and relate databases to each other. Finish by sharing, syncing, and safeguarding your work so it stays usable. Share pages with individuals or create a shareable link. Set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor depending on trust. Make sure desktop and mobile sync are on so updates flow instantly. For safety, export important pages as PDF or Markdown and store backups. If something goes wrong, try clearing the cache or splitting a huge database. This often resolves slow load or sync conflicts and gets you back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.